What is the secret to speaking? Well, the secret to speaking is to know your audience. Who are you speaking to? What do they need to know? Now, I am a developer, but occasionally when I speak to stakeholders, a project manager, a scrum master, a business analyst, I have to think about what do they need to know and how can I communicate it effectively? I need to be aware of my jargon, right? A lot of us want to use jargon, but it's important to think about, does the person understand this? For instance, many companies we work at have TLAs, three-letter acronyms. But if you're talking to someone outside of the company, we need to kind of scrub what we're going to say and make it so they understand it. So the key to speaking is to know your audience and make sure it's relevant to them.
I hope you enjoyed that mini bite from ProjectBites.com. Project Bites is a platform of project management, education, inspiration, and PDUs, all in 20-minute units, videos, podcasts, live events, and special learning paths. $45 a year for individual subscribers and special pricing for project teams of 5 or more. Start your 7-day free trial today at ProjectBites.com.